All right, Matty. Fantastic morning. It's a lovely week for fraud. The ATS Musano, Badwam Agokansie, and yet ATS more acquire Nimona. Ya can say, Ryan and some of the baby. If you do, I'm on idea or baby. But yes, if I tell you what's in the prepare my coin on idea, bro, say Badwam Agokansie, Paddy Butcher, Pablo Weimer. I mean, producers, Kedjuan and Cassani, Eric Cassie in the EPL, in La Liga, Serie A, Bundesliga, Ligue 1, weekend matches the course. So be one be but the biggest game in England now Liverpool versus Manchester United. Manchester United about Liverpool by 2-1. Now back to back defeats for Liverpool. I know the pressure has started, but Chelsea ball 3 over Nottingham Forest, Man City ball Everton Minu, Aston winning 1-0. Yanko games in Mumra. Right, so Harry Maguire, you are the winner for Manchester United. Now, after the game, Ruben Amorim, my head coach, yes, the manager, and we not started, but say about international break in the B-Bye. Eddie Yakoba or the Bakwa between two. The US bet was Sakwa, Ruben Ni. Arana Slot, manager, Liverpool. Yentre, other results in ACA. Apart from the Amabo Bosono, seeing other results, no ACA Koye, and where the Echo so Northern Forest. Forest, my team come to us, Ako Pamo coach, ma. Ako fast and by it. Need no more branch post to Koglu. Ya Pamono so sound training home before from bra. After entry results na kanona afi yenko ye Nimo and this is it. Newcastle Brighton over beyond Bournemouth. Burnley ball leads by 2-0. Crystal Palace Bournemouth ball 3-3. Yes, Antoine Semenyo boy. So bad yeah in Man City boy Everton 2-0. Sunderland ball Wolves by 2-0. Arsenal 1-0 over Fulham. Until we Nissan is here and West Ham Bebon there. Near Hesania at BC corner. You feel PL Nimuna Yanko Heston League and City, but before that, Shannon so Arsenal table number so 19 points and Arsenal until you know so one no. Atletico Winie, Barca Winie, Real Madrid Winie or La Liga. Wow, so Real Madrid and so 10 goals in 9 league games for Kylian Mbappe. Now other results of course so La Liga Munie Shannon so mame was Xavier. I hope my Canini year and Barca bought Girona. Villarreal near Betis Jenny 2-2 Atletico. And we need 1-0. Now Viedo Tenerife Spaniel Nano Fieda. Cobona come you know want to be anti. Now Athletic Club of Barney game no be and she be Rise Sociedad and it's started a Vigo 1-1. Rayo quite way Cobol Levante 3. Real Madrid winning 1-0 over Getafe. Wait near the course of La Liga anymore. Real Madrid are just Roboso. Wajiaboso and easy cry. So you better how it goes as I know the baby and answer saying the see at you better want some diaba. Now Yakan Yanko the Italy so here. And over the weekend, Sassuolo, Lecce, Obian Shebi, Pisa, Hellas Verona, Obian Shebi, and a Torino bought Napoli by a goal to 0. That's a shocker. Napoli. Wow. Roma, Inter Milan bought the Cabacco, Anderson Kwan this weekend. Italy, Anderson Kwan. 1-0. Now 2-1. AC Milan, bought Fiorentina. Now Atlanta, Lazio, Obian Shebi, Januane Parma, Obian Shebi, Bologna, Cobo Cagliari by 2-0. Como, Ebo, Juve by 2-0. Cesc Fabregas. Wow. Oh, but my party. The course of work almost so no. In Italy, I have some brew in the League 1. Man, official no Bundesliga so nation so den the big boys. Chum Bobre Umwa and easy. I can say no. Me see me refi me the CAF Confederation Cup and some kakra Kumasi Asante Kotoko or the Accra Sports Stadium. No, with that Athletic Club of Morocco. Nebo. Yeah, brother, I'm with that. Abinya, an early lead in the first leg, heading to the second leg. Because so Morocco. You question here, and Yema AC Echo. Yeah, Emmanuel, take confidence. Ebwemu, the Accra Sports Stadium.
Accra Sports Stadium, CAF Confederation Cup game about so second prelim games between Asante Kotoko and the work of Morocco. No, Nina Abaneweya. Asante Kotoko, Edincho, Ekabakwa, Omentimi, and Timada Braka. Ofedi Kaneshas, Asante Kotoko, Emrantian, creative chances, I would be now more shame some bet me, Enya go, no, a fight Tosumi, Eshasian, Anche, and a corner be by crossing it, a buy, a branty feno, Bakasu, Etimi, a prebono, a tuatremane, work of Morocco, Edim Kunim, our Asante Kotoko for so.
Advantage to work. Christopher Lodge. Oh, what a goal! What a sublime goal!
goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara APF 18-yard box nimo edenensa ebechi ball bia referee ni esusu se eyade a game no etia emrano enenti ogira ni tumi so ekoye red card a goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara efi game nimo nsi ni ba na wie no na coach Karim Zito editu dwa se we no hwe ni mu se ne mrantie no anka won betimi give you one best but results are wonya no ohwe ni mu se in the second league abeko so e Morocco no obetimi akwokodin.
This is the game of football. Sometimes certain things happen beyond your control. What you say, I think along the line there was some mistakes that affected it. So it's a kind of dream say a chance to move. You see, there are certain situations in football and yet impossible, but very difficult situations. What you say, we are now in a difficult situation, but not impossible.
Fans ahodro ebe piemu e wa Accra Sports Stadium ebe supporte Asante Kotoko no e kire mu se players no modern bono enso ni kura ebi kura mbo kire mu se ayade ani da so nyina asa
the coach ni so no aka ne kakra. In fact ye hwe ye boys na e wo no a standard no any Africa no de ye wachiri emfa kura because who say ball no aye ball no player bi ti say adabo chese on kan kura America obi a me feda wo woni player etumika na utumika de say de kosuase oto
I know what the aba ye players na cause here down for first half no ye dey respect my work too much oh ye player ti say wa ba ukurom and ntin say relax
players no man from who game apart from Samba Onel yeah who player Kotoko player bi as wordin who game nti ye bufu a edisi ye bufu
omo ye new players afeni asambo wo ma omo ye dey omo hu ba omo say Africa born enya easy atutuna moa atutuna ye dey share ball na amo
efiada ida enimu yi and a second leg encounter no eba so e obi man so Morocco a Asante Kotoko ehwe enimu se obetimi akwa make Ghana proud and afi Kotoko supporters nyina so proud midi ade Emmanuel Tay me and amedi amane boy efi Accra Sports Stadium.
Well, man, confidence there. So, it has got to commit me over 10 results here, qualify for the next round of the competition. And now, I can say, you know, the Ghanaian Premier League is also a course. Now, House of Oak still unbeaten. Yes. I want to copy more Brekum Koye Jumano over Brekum Chelsea. Then, the likes of Swedro or Blacks or sort of any win with you, or Brett, but we naba near the other. Yabeko Brekum Kohe, if we are never standing the table, no, I see. Aye.
Take the corner for Atzabok. And Paku swings one in. Oforenchi nearly conceding. And that's the opening goal. Hamza Issa has put the Phobians ahead at the Golden City Park in Brekum. It's Chelsea 0, Hearts 1. Oforenchi desperately tried to keep the ball away, but he just couldn't stop Hamza Issa. His first goal of the season is Chelsea 0, Hearts 1. At the Golden City Park. Is it going to be a repetition for the Phobians this time? Look at where he was standing, lurking and watching in between three Chelsea defenders. He just couldn't miss from that. Corner taken. Mensah's header. And Adomok have the second goal. Mauliwayo doubles the Phobians' lead. And Scott the only goal last season. The header from Ransford Mensah was not dealt with well. He tried to save the situation, Mensah, but it gladly fell to Wayo, who made no mistake on his left foot. He makes it 2-0 for Adzabok. He scored the only goal last season here, and he scored again. Chelsea 0.
Wow, so I don't need a course. Congrats to Adzabok. What's me winning the game or more. Other results, of course, you screen is to see Sana, table now on there. Apart from no summer testing media, Maldini 1-1 Dreams are the first win of the season against Nations. Now, became airborne vision by 2 Hoy so to Tiwama Adriana Bewi, na Swedro Blacks to Sonia, that second win of the season. Now, Chese Jordan, I am Neno, Viviani Gold Stars, and it has Lions, Ebona 11 1 Nesne Carella, Eddie Apion, so Kodoko African, to any young game, yet to watch that. I say that table next year. Yes, after match day 6. Mediema on top 13, Adriana second, 12 out of 12 out of Lions 11. Top 5 ni. Omo Dreams, Filias or Fraba Kakra. Brekum Chelsea, Holy Stars, 11 Wonders. Kofi Yesu, Kakam Kakra, as I was waiting my shit. Some of doing Brekum Chelsea, or more was here. Hadrian Pani and the idea. Send also some more no. I'm standing back on Shannon Sumame, say senior women's national team, the Black Queens of Ghana, almost when you papa. Now could PMO CAF awards ever baswo yan nominations. Black Queens team of the year. Emu and official goalkeeper of the year. No. Portia Boacheso player of the year. Umu and official young player of the year. Stella Nyamiche Diabim coach of the year. Came last and so Diabimu or CAF awards and so I want some idea or some bro. Call United in the Division 1 winning a game over Interlice last Saturday. Yes, City win number or quite a few Oba Jason who. And they say the old bed gesture. Now, ya can say, please, ladies, so age number so boy, mapa in women's football. They say the Jai, almost strong, Bobby, almost fit ladies, bomb, come in one fit for and to me and champion of champions. And they a man aboard Sania, a shot in the season. No, if I turn on a bar, so one more boy, ama IFS, on Tishan, so FMM. Now, we are actually some baby now, if you name on a or Prentero can see when you wrestle, that be a ba. Tibajina so na me de I see Pablo and of course Paddy Butche, my producers. Kedwana Kasani, Erica C. Dubwedi, Sister Ophelia, and Brabis Mike. Over to you.
Thank you. Says Lawrence at Tizigi, any Benjamin Sarah, they never work up in.
O say, or your number 1 goalkeeper, that.
And near my
Benjamin, sorry.
Okay.
Or your number 1. Okay. Mr. Clean Sheet, no. Oh, to me. Okay. Some of us kind of crew has embassy straight to the World Cup.
I was a year shot and here.
Oh, how? I mean, how? Right. Yeah, has a bit for a World Cup. From now till the World Cup, 8 months.
Yeah.
I'll be in your crown now over 1, sir. So, to be able to me, see, near my baby. To me, about to Mamma Trainer, you told by the D, I could share World Cup.
I was here for here.
Bye bye.